Hey there, millionaires. In today's video, I'll be taking you on a room tour of my son's weekend room makeover. He had two requests for this room, which were both totally out of my wheelhouse. He wanted it to feel futuristic and to reflect Black Panther, his favorite Marvel character. So I'll show you the techniques and products I use to pull off the look. Let's get started. If you've been here for a while, then you may remember the last time I shared my son's room. Gosh, he must have been about 7, and he had a twin over full bunk bed in the room. And it was a really cool space back then. But believe it or not, my twins are 13 now. And my son is heavily into gaming and technology. So I had to figure out a way to incorporate all the things that he loves about his room into a design that he could grow into. So I started with the accent wall. I used a wallpaper company called Wall Blush. I actually partnered with them over on my Instagram channel. They offer both peel and stick and luxury wallpaper. So I decided to go with the Luxe wallpaper just because I haven't had a lot of success with peel and stick in the past. Um, and the most important part of starting this project is getting the first panel really accurate because everything else is going to go based off of that. So I chose a pattern called Obsidian. I liked it because it has a lot of movement in it and moody grays, and I thought it would be a great pattern for, if he wants to change things up a little bit in the future. Everything comes numbered so you can lay out your panels in order before you get started. So then once you got everything laid out, you mix your paste and you start applying your wallpaper. Now, I will say that two people are definitely better than one when you're trying to do this. The peel and stick may be easier, but the paste, it just was a lot easier with some help. So I recruited a second pair of hands, which helped a lot. And once I got the first couple of panels up, things got much easier because I could follow the actual pattern um, in the wallpaper itself instead of trying to line it up with my grid. I really love the actual design of the pattern, and so does my son. So that part is great. I will say though, I can see the seams, and someone like me can't unsee it. And that may just be user error. Um, I thought this pattern would be forgiving with the seams, but I could definitely see them. Once we got the bed installed and the wall art went up, it's not as obvious, but I just wanted to make you aware with this pattern that you've really got to know what you're doing. Next, it was time to assemble the bed from today's video sponsor, Kepptory. This bed is so cool. It's my son's favorite part of the room. He chose the Saudism upholstered bed frame, which is actually a floating bed. The three of us were able to assemble it later on that night, and we got it all done in about an hour. Comes available in full queen and king sizes. We have a queen for reference. The gorgeous LED lights underneath and the hidden feet make the bed look like it's floating. You can't get much more futuristic than that, right? So he loves the floating part, and I love the fact that the bed configuration makes it very easy for me to get underneath and clean. It also comes with a very handy storage headboard with a charging station. While my kids have to turn in their electronics at night, it's definitely a very convenient place to charge your phone, maybe a watch, and you can also store your remote controls right there up top. While my son really loves the headboard, my personal favorite feature is this app controlled lighting system. You can customize your light color and you can even make it play to music. Check this out. Lift me up. That's about all I could play for you without getting in trouble with YouTube, but if you'd like to see a longer demo, I'm happy to give you one on my YouTube Shorts. Kepptory also sent this beautiful multifunctional nightstand, which we aren't actually using as a nightstand, we're using it as a computer stand. It also offers wireless and USB charging functions and a 3-level adjustment LED light. You can also adjust the brightness of the top light with the touch of a button. It's the perfect size nightstand for my son to house his brand new self-built computer. He just got it for Christmas. This is a gaming PC. It's by NZXT, and my son built it customized to all of his gaming needs. He also got a new L-shaped gaming desk for his room. It offers plenty of space for extra monitors, Also has customizable LED lighting and charging station space. And of course, I found some great seating on clearance at HomeSense. It was a perfect size for this space where he can chill and watch some TV. And on the other side of the room, we added in a mom dresser from IKEA. This one has 6 drawers. There are several different configurations. I'll make sure to link it for you. And with the room being gray, I wanted to make sure he had plenty of overhead lighting, so we upgraded to a fandelier. This one's great because it has retractable blades, so when he's not using the fan, it looks like it's a simple light fixture up there. And with that, the room is almost done. We are waiting on some customized wall art to go over his bed, but everything else is complete. He is such a happy camper. I'll have to share on YouTube Shorts some night if he'll let me go in there and share him while he's gaming. He has such a great time. If you got at least one new idea or were inspired in some way, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, love and peace.